Welcome to the channel Screen Free Together. As you see the name Screen Free Together, let me tell you why this name. Because some of you were part of this channel earlier, and today only I have renamed it Screen Free Together. So, people who are new to this channel and watching this video, let me tell you why I renamed it is I have identified one big problem. And if you are a parent of younger children, like for example, from 6 years to 12 years, 13 years, you may have witnessed this problem for sure, which is screen time. I'm not saying that screen time is avoidable completely, but the problem with screen time is you don't have the control. You don't know what your child is watching, and no parents can do it fully control screen time. But my intention is create a bonding between you as a parent and with your kids, because most of the time we parent do that mistake. We just tell our child that don't watch screen, don't watch this, don't do this, without giving them an right alternative. So I have implemented this in my house. I have two daughters. One is 6 years, one is 11 years. And with them, I have implemented this. What is that? That is screen free time together. It's not about don't watch, it's about let's stop screen for now. And I have set that rule that after 9:30, 10, no one is going to watch screen, and let's spend time together. But how? Most of the time, we don't have anything to do. So that's why I have identified few practices which I do in my home, and I will bring that in that channel for now from now. And I will give you some clues, some tips. I will show you some books, some pages, some puzzles, the way you can practice it with your child, with your children. And it will not only it will engage you. But for how many of you believe that screen time is not a problem only for kids, it's a problem for you also? Because before sleep, if you are engaged in screen time every day, it will improve your cortisol, the stress hormone. It will impact your sleep too. So it's not, screen time is now not only problem for kids, it has now become a problem for everyone. So that's why screen free together. And if you are on this mission too, please subscribe to the channel, please comment to my videos so that I get motivation to do it more. I promise every week once I will post at least a long form video. Every day I will share strategy. I mean, that's the puzzles, the way you can engage in your screen free time together. And let's do something else. Let's enjoy our life with our kids, with our family members, and let's enjoy screen free time. Thank you all.